What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of CHA Racing. Today is like day, I don't know, 12 or 13 in quarantine. I'm losing count. But but today we're going to be installing, or at least trying to install, the Essex harness bar and see if we can get that in. I mean, if not, then I'm gonna have to send somebody to get bolts and nuts. But I'm pretty sure almost everything is here. It looks like it was previously installed. Well, it was previously installed, but I'm pretty sure he sent everything with it. So hopefully that's the case. But let's get to it. So the instructions call for the driver's seat to be removed. I have not removed this driver's seat before, so we're going to try to get that out if I have the correct tools to get it out, and then disconnect the airbag sensor for the side from underneath, and then pull that out. I guess they say it's recommended. It makes installation a lot easier, so we'll do that.
We broad, show cars and act funny. Real niggas stay calm and stack money. Tangible assets, hella liability. They taping my moves, you covering my ability. Been dead broke, arm and hammer bath soap. Now I take a shower with a chick that need a bag broke. They keep on asking what's the message that you telling them. Buy gold, get degrees, don't buy what they selling you. I'm popular cause I'm nice, I'm popping up in your city. Black car, black or 10 Cali placement, who fucking with me? Luckily they all bark and no bite. Small size get no work and no fight.
Got these hoes open, they be stalling, but they falling through. Busy with a real nigga, that's why she ain't calling you. She be on my DI, then she be out and do what it do. Said she ain't got no cash or no clout, she ain't studying you. Got these hoes open, they be stalling, but they falling through. Busy with a real nigga, that's why she ain't calling you. She be on my DI, then she be out and do what it do. Said she ain't got no cash.
All right, so the GoPro died during that. Still not finished though, but it was a while before I noticed it. But the bar is now in. I had to take the shims off the side. It gives you shims, and they tell you they don't know if you're gonna need them or not. But in this case, I did not need them. They send a bunch of different ones so that you can size it out. But they're now in there. This is the pain. As you can see, my struggle sitting in here. Yeah, it ain't working. But I still got to put the bottom braces and then put the interior back together. Thankfully, I had 4 bolts that would fit each corner of these to brace them up. But it was a pain. It really was. When I bought it, it had the shims on there, so I assumed that's what he used. But I guess he just set them there so they didn't get lost. But it's cool. We'll get back to installing.
Wet talk, dick in your purse. Pep talk the weak hoes, dick in them first. Get them over in 3 texts, no pretext. Checking they phone on they back, that's latex. It say sex, no raw meat, I'm cooking these hoes. One to talk, one for top, double booking these hoes. Finish the deed, then the deed, I'm kicking them out. I wish your man could see you now.
All right, guys, so as you guys probably know, GoPro batteries are not always the best. So my GoPro ended up dying during the install on the harness bar, but we did get it in there. It might be hard to see. Let me get a light actually. So we did get it in there. It did take us quite a while to get it in there. It was a pain, especially doing it myself with no help. Trying to hold the bar and trying to install the bar, not easy, man. So if you can do this, have a friend help you. Hold one side while you hold the other. I was able to get in there, sit down and put it on my knee and hold it up and put the bolts in. But right now I'm about 85% of the way of installing that, 85% of the way done with installing this. And it hasn't been too bad. So there's the bar, and then it hooks up to the back. I still need to hook up the support on that side to the rearward support or whatnot. I still gotta hook that in, and then we'll start putting the interior in probably tomorrow. The last thing I'm gonna do tonight, because it has gotten late, the last thing we're gonna do is get the last bar over there on, and then we'll just wait for the interior tomorrow. So let's get to it.
Stalling when they falling through. Busy with a real nigga, that's why she ain't calling you. She be on my DI, then she be out and do what it do. Said she ain't got no cash or no clout, she ain't studying you. Got these hoes open, they be stalling when they falling through. Busy with a real nigga, that's why she ain't calling you. She be on my DI, then she be out and do what it do. Said she ain't got no cash or no clout, she ain't studying you.
We broad, show cars and act funny. Real niggas stay calm and stack money. Tangible assets.
All right, guys. So we finally got the left side of the interior back in. It is pretty late outside, so we obviously it's time to go to bed. But we did get this side. All the left interior, all back in. This is how the bar sits. So with this bar, the only way that it's gonna be able to put this panel back in is by having it at the highest settings. I don't have my harnesses yet, but you're gonna want to change this and your angles and whatnot according to whatever harness you get, whatever they recommend for your height and all that. So for right now, it is gonna stay like that, and I'm okay with it. We still have to do the driver's side rear interior tomorrow. So when it gets dark, or when it's light outside, we'll get to that because that's all we have left to put in. But when you do this, you're going to lose these pillar beams, the ones that go around where the seat belts are. You're gonna lose that. So I guess you could use it if you want to drill a hole through it and do whatever you gotta do. Be my guest. I'm not doing all that. Not that serious for me. I don't really care for the interior anyway. But yeah, tomorrow we'll get back to this when it's light outside and then get the rest of it together. But for now, we'll catch you in the morning. All right, guys, so it's the next day. We've only got the few pieces left for the interior to put in. Last night, like I said before, we did get the interior in. Now we gotta get the driver's side interior back in. And we're actually gonna swap this fluid for the clutch master cylinder. And I'll have to turn it around so you can actually see. Actually, I got light. So there's the golden goodness, because we swapped the brake fluid not that long ago. And then there's that nasty fluid from the master cylinder. It's pretty dirty. So you can see the difference. Kind of gold. Golden. Shit. Anyway, so we're gonna get back to putting that interior in right now. Alright guys, so right now we're going to do the slave cylinder fluid flush. I have this Mighty Vac. I don't think this will work. It might work. If not, then I'll just wait for someone to come here and hit the pedal for me while I pop it loose and change out the fluid on the to clean like the master cylinder. So I've already used the Mighty Vac, I think it's called, to suck out some of the old fluid down here, and then I'm going to be throwing in new fluid, and then I'm going to try to pop the nipple open and then vacuum all the old fluid out, but we'll see how it goes. All right guys, it seemed to work. Just kept sucking it out. That's the old fluid, and there you can see it's kind of got like a brown tint to it, and the stuff in our reservoir right here is much cleaner. So We have the newer fluid in there, got the old stuff in here. So we're good to go. All right, guys, that's done. So what I love to do, absolutely love to do, is comparison. This fluid has never been changed. This is about 31,000 miles on the car, and that's some brand new fluid directly next to it. And you can obviously see that there's a massive difference in color. Almost looks like urine. It's hard to see in the sun, but in the shade, yeah. Look at that. It's pretty nasty. Anyway, guys, that's all I have for the day. For the car, I need to kind of clean up this mess that I've made over the last few days. I'm gonna think of some other things to do in the coming days while I still have still I'm on quarantine, so I'm sure we can find something. But if you like what you saw, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I appreciate it. Stay awesome.